Good morning, guys. In front of me is MatePad 11.5, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first, enroll the settings, then find and select home screen and style, go to wallpapers, and now choose the picture that you like the most. You can check more wallpapers if you wish to activate online content. You can add something from your gallery if you do have anything there, but I'll go with, for example, this one. Now if you like it, mark apply. If you want to change it, go and pick another one. You can blur it if you want to, then you can customize it on the scale. Tap on apply then, and then decide if it's for your lock screen only, just your home screen, or both of them. And that's it, that will be all. As you can see, it is already set. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.